Hello everyone, my name is Valenciana Ramadhani. Today I will tell you a folklore from Central Java and relate the legend of Mountain Merapi. Long age in the land of Central Java, there was the powerful kingdom of Mataram. The king of Mataram dreamed of building a grand and magnificent place, a symbol of his power near Mountain Merapi. The belief that if his place stood there, his kingdom would be blessed with glory and strength. However, Mountain Merapi was no ordinary mountain. It was already inhabited by spirit and powerful blacksmiths who guarded the mountain for centuries. The blacksmith forged weapons of supernatural power, and the spirit protects the mountain as their sacred home. Despite knowing this, the king of Mataram insisted on claiming the land. The king of Mataram said, "I will build a place on this land. No one can stop me." The master blacksmith replied, "This mountain is our place. Do not disturb it." The king of Mataram shouted, "Then I will destroy all of you." The spirit and blacksmith were angry, tired to warn the king, but he ignored them. In his pride and greed, the king gathered his soldiers and prepared to attack the guardians of the mountain. When the soldiers began their march, standing happened, the earth trembled, the wind blows fiercely, the sky darkened as if night had suddenly fallen. Still, the king refused to step back. He ordered his men to continue. At that moment, the spirit and blacksmith unleashed their supernatural powers. The peak of Mount Merapi burst open with fire and smoke. A deafening roar echoed across the land. Lava flowed down the slopes, swallowing village, forest, and finally the place that the king was trying to build. The king of Mataram and his soldiers could not escape. They were buried by the eruption, a punishment for their arrogance. The once proud king was gone, and only the their mountain remained, standing as a reminder for generations. Since then, people have believed that Mount Merapi is guarded by mystical spirits. Even today, before an eruption, villagers say they can hear the sound of horses and soldiers, as if of ancient spirits are still alive inside the mountain. This legend use an important lesson. We must respect nature and never be greedy. Power and arrogance will only bring destruction. We must show life in harmony with the earth, because if we disrupt nature, nature will fight back. That was the legend of Mount Merapi, along with example of chance terrace. In the speech. Thank you for listening, and I Hope this story inspires us all to be more humble and respectful toward nature. T-Rex pet in the story. 1. The king of Mataram said, "Will build a place on this land. No one can stop me." Change into Indrex page 1. The king of Mataram said that he would build a place on that land and no one could stop him. T-Rex pet in the story 2. The master blacksmith replied, "This mountain is out place, do not disrupt it." Change into instructions page 2. The master blacksmith replied that the mountain was their place and should not be disturbed. T-Rex pet in the story 3. The king of Mataram shouted, "Then I will destroy all of you." Change into indirect page 3. The king of Mataram shouted that he would destroy them all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.